Hi and welcome to another episode of Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'm Nandita and today I'm going to show you how to make a coffee trifle. If you are a coffee lover, this is just the dessert for you. Let's start with the crumble mixture first. We'll prepare this mix and then we'll bake it in the oven. So here we have some oats, some all-purpose flour or maida, sugar. To this we are going to add some butter. You can take salted or unsalted. If you're taking unsalted butter, then just add a pinch or two of salt. With the back of a spoon, just mix it all up together. So this crumble mixture has nearly come together. I'm going to add some vanilla to this. Again, give it a mix. And I have a small baking tray which is lined with foil and we've applied a little butter on this. I'm going to remove this crumble mixture onto this tray. And now I'm pressing this mixture into the tray to smoothen out the surface. I've pressed the crumble mixture into the baking tray. I've preheated the oven at 175 degrees. I'm going to put this tray into the oven and bake it for around 10 minutes until I see that the crumble has turned golden and crisp. So as you can see, our crumble is baked to a nice golden color and it looks crisp. I'm just going to remove this into a bowl. So now I'll just take you through all the ingredients that we have to assemble our trifle. So let's start assembling the trifle. For that, I'm going to start with the vanilla sponge cake. I'm going to dip this in the coffee and place it in the bottom of the glass. Topping this with some whipped cream. And now our prepared crumble mixture. And now I'm going to top this with our prepared coffee syrup. So we'll repeat this layering process again. So I'm taking another slice of the sponge, putting this over the crumble topping, some more whipped cream, our prepared crumble, some coffee syrup, and we're going to garnish this with some shaved chocolate, and a tiny pinch of instant coffee. So our delicious looking coffee trifles are ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, do like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe for more such Britannia Dessert Carnival recipes.